Hello, friends. I'm Miguel de Cervantes Saavedra. I imagine you must know that I am one of the most famous writers in history. But let me tell you about my complicated life. I was born in the middle of the 16th century in Alcala de Henares, a small village belonging to Madrid. My father was a humble surgeon, and I, from a young age, began to write poems. When I was still young, I injured a man with my sword, and I had to flee Spain to Italy to escape justice. I enlisted in the Spanish Armada and fought against the Turks in the Lepanto battle, where a bullet destroyed my left hand, rendering it useless. From then on, I was nicknamed the One-Handed Man from Lepanto. But my misfortunes didn't end there. When I was returning to Spain by boat, pirates attacked us, and I was captured as a prisoner. They then took me to an African city, Algiers, where I was imprisoned for 5 long years. Finally, I was freed in a rescue operation, and I eventually managed to get back to Spain. Later, I was married and began to write plays, but my cursed bad luck continued, and I was not able to make a living as a writer. I was imprisoned once again because of a money issue. And it was during these months in jail where I began to write the play which gave me eternal fame, The Ingenious Gentleman Don Quixote of La Mancha. In it, I narrated Don Quixote's adventures, accompanied by his loyal squire Sancho Panza. It did give me great glory and fame, but little else, as I lived the rest of my days immersed in poverty. Before saying farewell, I would like to give you a little advice. Even if you have constant bad luck, you should always fight for what you believe in, and never give up on your passions. Even though I generally had bad luck, I managed to do great things doing what I loved most: writing and creating. Goodbye, friends, and adios.